how you doing? So today we're going to change the wiper motors in my TT because they don't work. And what I've done is rather than buy a new wiper motor from Audi, I've got one from eBay, which is here. So it's a complete assembly unit. So what we need to do now is we just need to go back to the car and take the old ones off and then replace them with this one, which I'm hoping works. I haven't tested it. I'm taking it on faith from the person that that's the case. So the wiper motor issue is a common one in the TT, and in my case it's no exception. But I was trying to investigate why that is the case, why we've lost the wiper motors. And if we look on the scuttle panel, I think we probably can tell. I think I can probably figure out why. If you look just here, you can see a split, and what's probably happened is water has ingressed on top of the unit and then caused it to break. So yeah, the best thing to do is to replace it. So that's what I'm going to do now. But to do that, I've got to take the scuttle panel off. So let's start and do that now. Alright, so in the car, I'm going to change the windscreen wiper motors, because if I show you what happens when I turn them on. Right, so turn the car on, windscreen wipers. As you can see, nothing happens. Nada, nothing. The washers work though. So get water, just nothing else. And this is a common problem in the TT. It's to do with the water getting, or the motor getting water in it. Okay, so if you look here, you can see that there is a little split here, which is no good. That's not going to help our cause. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off the scuttle panel here. I've already loosened the wipers, because if you didn't know already, to get the wiper blades off, you need a pulley to get them off, because they get pressed on when you tighten them with the bolts. So that's already been done. So I just got to lift it up. I'm going to put the camera down somewhere so I can then crack on and do that. So here is the defective unit. This is the one I've just taken off. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug the new one in, just to make sure that it is the actual motor that's gone and nothing else, because if you look at this motor here, it looks in pretty good condition, if I'm honest with you. So yeah, let's try that. We'll plug it in and see if it works. That's fine, that's working. back in place. I'm just going to give it a quick test to make sure it's still working. That's working perfectly. Excellent. Job done. Just going to put these caps back on. And then one there. There you have it. One job done. So that's the windscreen wipers back up and running, which is good because I haven't been able to drive the car in the rain, and now we can. So that's really good to see. Okay, so that's it. So next week we're going to tackle the bar, and we'll get that on, and also we'll start doing the panel which replaces the rear seat. So join me then. The next upload will be on Monday. Have a good week. Always, always, always.
I'll be loving you.